In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most kind, the entrepreneurial spirit, the ability in women in the world having gained economic standing, and there are more and more women joining the league than ever before. And when it comes to women entrepreneurs, a study has shown that nearly half of the entrepreneurs are women. It is not easy to make it in the business world as a woman, but it is not impossible either. Highly successful women such as the author of Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, the founder of Spanx, Sarah Blakely, CEO for PepsiCo, Indra Nooyi, and the billionaire media mogul Oprah Winfrey, and well-respected, and they are also the role model for other aspiring female entrepreneurs. For women who aspired to find their place in today's market and wanted to become a successful entrepreneur, there are 10 business ideas for worth considering. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is huge today, and regardless of your gender, with the right strategy and hard work, anyone can do it in this field. One of the very first successful affiliate marketers in the online world is actually a woman named Rosalind Gardner. She's famous for being a super affiliate and has even published a book called Super Affiliate Handbook. Any aspiring woman can learn affiliate marketing and model Rosalind's determination in building a successful affiliate business on the internet. Number 2 is woman blogger. Obviously, many work at home moms also build and grows blogs and earn them a part-time income. Some successful examples are like Reed Drummond, who is a professional award-winning American blogger of the PioneerWoman.com, and Anna Hoffman of TrafficGenerationCafe.com. In the cyber war, nobody cares about your gender as long as you have something that benefits and adds value to the market. You can be a successful blogger. Number 3 is selling digital products. Another great idea for any woman who inspired to be an entrepreneur is to sell digital products. Digital products such as e-book, videos, training courses, software, and apps are a huge market today. One great advantage of selling digital products online is that as long as you have the knowledge and expertise, you can become the market leader, create your own product, and then sell them online. Laura Bengtram, the best-selling author of What the Most Successful People Do Before Breakfast, first published her book in the digital format. And when it became widely successful, she then created it into a physical book for higher syndication. Besides ebook, you can create courses and sell through videos too. Number 4 is becoming a fashion model. Fashion design and model are becoming more and more demanding these days due to the expansion of e-commerce in the world. Research has shown that women are better in fashion design and modeling. In fact, when an advertisement features a woman, it has a better engagement and click-through rate. Besides, women can possess and have better knowledge and experience about fashion than men. This allows female entrepreneurs to start their business with an advantage. Number 5 is interior design. Another great business idea to explore is the interior designing industry. This field does not require any hard labor work, and anyone who has the creativity can build a successful business there. There are many successful interior designers in the world who are women. For example, Elsie the Wolf, Sister Parrish, and Dorothy Draper. These are famous and well-respected leaders in the world of interior designers. Number 6 is online tutoring. The education business is another lucrative idea worth considering. This is because women have higher patience than most men, and becoming a tutor, whether online or offline, requires tremendous patience in handling children. Anyone can start a tutoring business on the subject that they like and has specialization in. Almost every parent these days are looking for a good tutor for their children. What is more interesting to note is that this business requires minimal or no capital to start. Number 7 is babysitter and pet care. The babysitter business is increasing at a drastic rate, especially in more developed countries. It is common for both parents to work these days and they need a babysitter to take care of their newborn. Furthermore, most people would prefer a woman babysitter than a man to take care of their children. Then same goes for the pet care business. If you are an animal lover and you can handle pet, you can start your own pet care business. Number 8 is start a restaurant or cafe. Starting a restaurant or a cafe may require more of your capital. However, that does mean that you should not consider if you have the passion for cooking, brewing the best coffees and making delicious cakes. This is the industry you should look into. Apart from that, you can also start with no capital by selling recipes and teaching how to cook or how to bake. Number 9 is selling jewelries. Women love jewelry and it is a billion-dollar industry. Look at the super successful stores such as Pandora that was founded by a couple, which has transformed into international jewelry manufacturer selling in more than 100 countries. Women usually understand what other women want. Therefore, if you have a passion for jewelry, you should consider starting a jewelry business. For instance, you can start selling them online with affiliate marketing or the drop ship model. Learn and then expand from there. Number 10 is public speaking business. Depending on your ability and skill of public speaking, it can be an art of and also a very lucrative business. When you develop yourself as an authoritative figure in the industry, people will pay a premium price to listen to you speak. One great example is Hillary Clinton. She made millions from her public speaking engagements. Fortunately, public speaking is a skill that anyone can hone and learn. These are the 10 best business ideas for aspiring female entrepreneurs who, of course, there are many more lucrative business ideas waiting for you to discover. However, the 10 ideas listed above can be a great start for anyone who has a passion for them.